Hello everyone. Sire here. Thank you so much for joining me. I am creating a fun Halloween birthday card today, and I thought it'd be kind of fun since it is the Halloween season or fall season as well. And there are birthdays that happen, and I thought it'd be fun just to create a Halloween themed one using products that I have on hand. So I'm not really particularly showing anything brand new. But sometimes it's nice just to play with what we have on hand. So right now I'm just creating my background. It's just a spooky circle with using some black and orange inks, just very lightly going into circles. And I'm going to be using Concord 9th All About Cake Dies. And this is going to be cut out of some pattern paper from my favorite things called Creepy Confections. This pattern paper is not on their website anymore, but I did do a little search and I see that a lot of companies, scrapbooking stores, still have it on sale. So you can definitely still get this pattern paper. However, you can use any pattern paper that you would like. It doesn't really matter, and make it your own. Choose different colors, or don't even make a Halloween birthday card. That's also a possibility. And I also have some scrap pieces of cardstock that I have in my stash that I chose to match the paper as best as I could. And so that's the green, the blue, and the orange little swirls. And so I'm just using my tweezers, picking them up. It's much easier than trying to hold it with my hands and get glue all over my hands, which is typically what I normally do, but it's nice when I actually remember to use my tweezers. And then putting this together is nice and simple. You just glue each little tab. There's like a little piece there that you glue, and then you just overlap on top of it. You just center it as best as you can. And you create this really fun cake. Now this die set is actually a pop-up die that you can actually put inside your card so it sticks out. But I'm just using the flat parts to have on top of my card, and I'm not worrying about decorating the inside. Now I add my sparklers, which I decided to do in black because it's Halloween, and I am gluing them to the top of these little picks. And then I'll just glue these picks underneath the cake. And the way that I do that is I just pick up my die that's all assembled and just position it by hovering over it and pressing down. Then I have better control, or I can see exactly what I want to do because I'm doing it from top down versus trying to position it while holding it in my hand. And there we go. What a cute, spooky Halloween cake. Okay, so I also off camera cut these ghosts from Kat Scrappiness called Boogie Ghost dies. And I cut two of them. I'm just going to have them hanging out on this cake. One's going to be holding the sparkler there, and then I'll put one that's kind of hiding behind the cake. The nice thing about this die, actually, I could have had the one little arm over top of the cake because it is die cut there. I wasn't thinking about it at the time, but I was just looking at it now, and that would be kind of cool. And now I'm just going to cut this down by 1/4 of an inch on each side, and then prop this up. So this is a relatively simple card, just working with the dies that you have and some pattern papers. The most effort, I should say, was really the background, which was quite simple. And you can choose any color for the background. I've also done it in green. You could do it in pink because black really looks nice with all the different colors. And then I'm just going to place that cake on top of it. So it's kind of covering most of the imperfections and stuff. And you just get this color around it. And it does have this spooky eeriness to it, and yet it's still a birthday card. So it's fun to just go through our stash and just see what we have, and remember that we don't need to keep buying new stuff all the time. It's fun to always to get new stuff. I do not deny that, but it's also fun to just mix and match different companies and create some fun cards. And of course, there are a lot of people who have birthdays in October. And so just mashing that up to create a Halloween birthday card is kind of fun. And there we go. A spooktacular birthday card. I'm not worrying about a sentiment on this card because I'm going to put all that inside when I give it out. So I do hope that you enjoyed this. I have another video that's coming out with the better press. Unfortunately, I only ended up with 2 videos for Halloween. Time just got ahead of me. But I hope you look forward to that one. And I also have my Kendra card challenge. That's also Halloween. So I guess 3 things. So I do hope you enjoyed this. And I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful week. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.